Hey, this is my third video on Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Instagram Bot Pro, which will automate most of the thing in the Instagram and will ease and save your time. So let's get into the video. In my screen, you can see that Instagram Bot Pro account software. So click on it and you will be redirect to one page. Just ignore that, and here you can see the login Instagram account. But before clicking the login Instagram, just turn off your Wi-Fi, and after that you can click in the login Instagram button. So it will give some error thing, but what you can do is like continue, and from here you can turn on your Wi-Fi and click on login manually, and it will open an Instagram account. Or if it is not login, you will redirect to the login page. So from here you can choose your profile, or you can choose another profile. For now I have already been added my Instagram username and password. I will click continue. So after clicking continue, um, it will log into your account, and it will give, if you have authentication, it will ask for the code. uh, for now I will quickly check my account, and will fill the authentication number. So after getting authentication code, you can just copy paste your authentication code and click continue. So after doing the logins, this login process, you can see that Instagram Bot Pro, you will see this interface, and from here you can see that you can get users from hashtag, and you can get followers from user, you can get following from user, and you can get users from post likes, and you can do auto follow and unfollow. So at first, let's collect the users using a hashtag feature, right? And let's click on this. So from here it's asking you to use a hashtag name. For example, let's collect the users from Nepal, or hashtag, use the word Nepal as a hashtag, and let's abstract to just like 5 users. So let's click on abstract users. So in the background you can see it will go to that hashtag called Nepal, and it will start collecting the users. So it will collect the users, right? And the user will be seen right here. So it will collect 5 users, 4 and 5. So it has completed, and let's say okay. And from here let's export this data to our computer, or your laptop, or your PC. Let's give this name as hashtag user list 3. Done. And stop it and cross it. So after doing that, you can similarly you can get the users from a username, and you can get the users from the user's follower. You can get the user from the post URL. For example, if you want to know all the users who has liked this post from, then you can use these features. You can use this feature called get user from post likes, and from there you can do auto follow and unfollow. So similarly you can do like you can like someone's post and do a comment also, right? So let's at first let's do like so let's do auto follow and unfollow. So click here in auto follow and unfollow, and from here you can import the list of users. For now we have just collected that 5 users using that hashtag, and let's you know import it. And what it will do is like it will follow the users if it hasn't followed, and after a minute it will start unfollowing the user. So you can increase the time in the minute also, and you can increase the gap between each follow, right? So for now let's start, and in the background you can see that it will start following the users if it hasn't followed. So for example, the second one is Neha something, and it will start following. and it will start following, right? So like after the fifth user, it will take like almost a minute, so after a minute it will start unfollowing all of them. So it's like you follow them, and if they follow back you, it will be your followers, and it will automatically unfollow all the people to whom you have just followed, right? So let's just wait for a minute, like a minute, and we'll see that it will start unfollowing the users. 2 3 and 4, you can see the time right here, 9:29, and yeah, so it has started unfollowing the users. So you can just see it here, it will go and unfollow, right? So yeah, so similarly you can see its action has been changed from follow to unfollow, and it has unfollowed two people from the five, and it will be three. It has unfollowed these users also, and this is the next one. It will automatically see my mouse is not there, right? Let me just open this. So my mouse is here, but it will automatically unfollow all the users that we have followed. So after this, it will say like the task has been completed or it has completed, and click OK there. Okay, just four, and the last one. Let's quickly do it. This is the last one, and yeah, it's done. It will go to the home page automatically, and it will say done. You can just click stop here, and it will stop it, and it will go to home and say one click completed, right? Similarly, if you want to do comment to the comment in some hashtags, or to the username, or by hashtags or by username list, you can do it here, right? So for example, I choose this user list from here, and uh, uh, you know give a comment like nice picture, nice pic, and a love emoji. Add it to the import list of the text, and do a like in the so you do like in their post, and do a comment also. So after I click starts, so it will go to each user account, and will like the post and do a comment in their post. So it's going to their user, so it's liking the post and writing the comment and doing a post, right? So similarly, it will go to the another user, pick the first photo, and like their post, and to comment in it and post it. It has liked the video, write the comment, post. So it is taking time because we have used the delay second 5 to 15. So it will automatically take the time between 5 and 15 seconds randomly. So your Instagram account is safe. And yeah, similar to this, I just stopped it because I don't want to waste much of time in this feature. So similar to this, we have enter a message also. So for example, I just want to like testing system versus log. I just want to send this to a user, for example. Yeah, so let's we have already added a list here. So let's just click send direct message, so it will go to the first user. So it's basically source the username, and it will write the message.
So yeah, the message system doesn't seem to be working, but it used to work in the previous version. So in the upcoming version, it might start working also. So yeah, similarly, you can do follow on follow from here also, send direct message, like, comment, and many or other thing. So yeah, you can explore this software, or you can say the Instagram bot pro software, and you can automate almost all of the thing, and you can provide services to the businesses, uh, and earn some money from there also, or you can grow your own account from this also, right? So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you like the video, and do comment in the video if you need more such video regarding Instagram or Telegram or TikTok or any other topic. I will make the video and automate all the process you want to, right? So thank you for watching this video. Take care.